The NFT marketplace is one amazing place that you can't believe what is possible. Like the JPEG file, that the picture file that you have on your phone, you can actually sell it. You can sell it for thousands of dollars. You can sell it for hundreds of dollars without knowing, just by putting it on that marketplace, and it's totally free of charge. You can put them all up on the marketplace free of charge, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and how people are leveraging on that to make thousands and thousands of dollars. See you. All right. So guys, there are so many NFT marketplace, but the most popular one I want to take you guys on right now is OpenSea. All right. So apart from OpenSea, there's a Rarible. We have Sonala has its own NFT marketplace. Then Binance has its own NFT marketplace. There are just so many. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the OpenSea NFT marketplace. So apart from the JPG file, that's the picture file that you upload on as NFT, you can upload upload music files on NFT, video files on NFT. You can upload a password as an NFT. You can upload anything. You can upload some anything digital can be as an NFT, or you can represent a physical land as an NFT, a physical item as an NFT. Okay, and people are always there to buy, and a lot of people are actually making money with this. So let me show you guys how we can go about this right now. When you're accessing the OpenSea, you could use majorly what people use is MetaMask, but let me assume that most people use this Trust Wallet. So we're going to use Trust Wallet to actually do this right now. How you can do that on Trust Wallet? Simple. Let's go on. All right, so right here, this is where we go. So I'm going to use Trust Wallet, and right here, I'm going to choose the wallet I'm going to use right here. So if you see this Trust Wallet, you're looking at here is on multi-coin wallet. So a Trust Wallet that is on multi-coin wallet like this, when you try to connect to the OpenSea website, where like you need to go to OpenSea, you click on the dApps and go to OpenSea. That's where we're going to be doing every single thing we need to do. So when you click on opensea.io, now you need to connect your wallet. Why connecting your wallet? The problem here is you might connect an Ethereum wallet or connect a smart chain wallet to the OpenSea, and after doing everything about your NFT to try to upload it, it becomes a problem, or it start giving you some kind of error. So to avoid that, we need to copy the recovery phrase of this wallet and then upload it. So we need to copy the recovery phrase of this wallet and upload it on the particular blockchain that you want to use. You want to upload your NFT on. That's the Polygon blockchain. And the reason why we're using Polygon blockchain is because it's free, unlike the Ethereum that you have to pay some charges. Solana, you have to pay little charges, and Binance Smart Chain, you need to pay little charges. Okay, so now we copy the recovery phrase, then although you could still, there's a way you could still connect by just choosing from the list there, but in order to avoid confusion, we just have to go through this particular method. So when we copy the recovery phrase, you go to, so this is how we go. Copy the recovery phrase and then upload it on that Polygon network. You can see there's Polygon right there, Matic right there, and we are good. Then you go back to the opensea.io, and then you can see that there are some list of different NFT there. You can see some that have been sold on at a very astronomical amount of money, okay, in Ethereum though. So you know the value of Ethereum as we speak. So here, this is what I want to say as my own NFT. Is actually a kind of food collection I created, like chicken that's already boiled on a plate. So that's what I want to use as an NFT. Is a kind of a GIF file, or call it an MP4 file. So so we'll go to OpenSea, go back to OpenSea, and then click on create collection. I think I've created this wallet before, this NFT wallet before. So first of all, you need to connect to the OpenSea by clicking on that connect, and then once you are done connecting, accept and sign in. So if you've not created an account, it will automatically create an account. So now we want to create our own collection. So now the first thing here, there you can see there are a list of things you can use. You can use JPG, PNG, pick MP4, MP3, and a host of them. Okay, so now upload the image, the particular file I want to use as the NFT. Okay, upload the particular file. So I'm going to use that first image right there, first GIF file right there, which you can see up there. So now the next one is the preview image. Okay, if you upload, if it's like kind of music, you don't need to use, or let's say like GIF, you don't, the format is not accepted. So you need to have like at least screenshot or a kind of preview image that depict what you're actually trying to portray as an NFT. So I'll need to upload that as a preview image. Then I'll give it a name right here. So for me, I'll give it love chicken or something. Yeah, food lover chicken, something like that. So give it a name, then give it a description. So when you're done giving it names and description, you need to give it name, give it proper description. So you choose the collection, add properties. If your NFT has some kind of special properties, when you're going to be uploading like about thousands and 10,000, tens of thousands of NFT, you need to be like changing or switching properties. So you choose the particular properties that depict what differentiate your NFT from the other person's NFT. Okay, so for me, I have to choose the properties of my NFT right here. So after doing that, the next thing that I'll have to do is to choose the collection of my NFT. But first, let me finish with the properties right here. So I've chosen the property of my NFT. Okay, that's cool. Then the collection, if you see the collection of my NFT, you discover that, okay, I've created a collection before that is a nature collection. So since this is a food NFT, so I'm not going to choose that nature. I'm going to create a collection later. So now the number of pieces, that this and that exist, okay, I have like 5 pieces. Then choose polygon because it's polygon chain we're uploading it on, although the price will still be in Ethereum, but it will be Ethereum polygon Ethereum. Okay, something of that nature. Then when you're done with that, click create. So verify this robot, pass this robot verification. Select the proper images and then click verify and wait for it to finish verifying. So that is successful. When that is done, your NFT is ready, but it's not yet in the marketplace. Nobody can buy it. It has no pricing as it stands. So the next thing you're going to have to do is to click on sell. Okay. So click on sell and then list it for a particular price. So for me, okay, you choose the number of currency, that is cryptocurrency, that you want to say it in. So I'm going to give it like 0.1 Ethereum, which is like about 100 and something dollars. So if you're interested in this NFT, I'm going to post the link in the description so you can actually buy. Thank you in advance. So that would be like a support for the videos I make for you guys. All right, so now I'm going to leave it up for like 3 months, and then yeah, 3 months. You can leave it for 24 hours, 2 months, 3 months. So depending on the range in time. So I'm gonna leave it for 3 months. So to buy. Then when I'm done doing that, then I can click on complete listing. Click on OK, and boom, my NFT is in the market. So anybody can buy my NFT as it stands right now. Anybody can purchase my NFT. Okay, so here we are. It's ready for sale. So now my NFT is just sitting out there. It's just on my profile, but it has no collection. Collection is just like your normal terms, a group of similar items. Okay. So it could be like collection of army, collection of ants, collection of nature, collection of bags, collection of clothing. So now we need to create a collection. And for me to create a collection, it means that I have more than one of these NFT to upload. So now I am creating that collection. So Now, the collection, what you need in the collection, you need a logo, you need a profile image, and then you need a preview image, and then you need a banner. Then need to give a name to that collection. So if I'm giving a name to my collection, if I'm giving like uh chicken lovers, so my collection should be all about chicken, right? Mind you, on this OpenSea account you have here, you can have more than one collection. So the name you're giving to your collection, it has to be a name that has not been taken by any other person. So this is my name. The first one was taken, so I have to enter another one, something that has not been taken by another person. So I'll have the collection looking like something really, really unique. So now you give a proper description to your collection. That's very important. Then give a proper description. Then choose the categories. So we have art, collectibles, music, photography. There are so many categories. So you have to just choose the category. So for me, I'll just put a collectible right here. So if you have social handles for your collection, you can actually fix it right there. Let's say you have a website, you have an Instagram channel or YouTube channel or Twitter account for your collection. You can just place it right there for people to actually, visit. Okay, then the wallet. This wallet, before you undergo this process, you must have copied the Ethereum address, the Polygon Ethereum address of your account to paste here. Okay, so I have to go copy it and then actually paste it right there so that whenever we make sales of any NFT, we'll have it in our wallet. You just have it automatically, sent to our wallet. The money automatically sent to our wallet. So enter the number of currencies, the number of cryptocurrencies that people can use to buy. So you can see we have Ethereum right there, DAI, or on Polygon network, and then USDC. Then the way you want your collection to be displayed. Okay, so I chose the last tile. Okay, because my collection is like kind of rectangular, and then I need people to see it in its entirety. So once I'm done with all this, or once you're done with all this, then click on create. So once you click on create, it takes some moments. Remember, before now we've already created our NFT and it's just sitting out there without any collection. So now after creating this collection, we'll have to add the NFT that we've created to this collection. And after adding the NFT to this collection, subsequent NFT within this collection can be created and then be added automatically, okay, to the collection. Right there, chicken food lovers collection right there. So if I click on it right there, you see that there's nothing in it, absolutely nothing in it, because I've not added any of the NFT in it. And then I need to add the NFT I've already created to this particular collection, then go on to create the rest of the NFTs. So here we are. So to find the other NFT, what I need to do is to click on my profile. So once I click on my profile, you see the NFT just sitting there without any collection. So what we're just gonna do right here is to actually click on it. So when you click on it, you click on edit. So you can actually edit your NFT. So click on edit, then choose the particular collection I want to add it to. So once I choose that, I click submit changes. Okay. So there's one part I actually forgot. The part where I actually created added percentage charge while creating collection. I added like about 3%. Okay, that percentage charge means that, okay, if anybody wants to buy your NFT, like subsequent sales, when someone have bought it from you, subsequent sales in the future, that's the percentage you'll be getting. Okay, so now let's go on now to create the rest of the NFTs. So stand by. So here we are. Let's add the rest of the collection. So this item right here, hot pepper. Now that we are completely done with our creation, so if you go to the marketplace right here and then you search what's the name of this collection, I don't know what the name of the account. Let me click my account, my collection, nature. Let's click on this. So there are 3 items right here, or rather 4. It's not yet been updated. There are 4 items right here, 1 2 3 4, with different pricing. And the name of this our store, please create any creators earning. There's no creator earning. So if you are watching this video and you want me to have some creators earning right here, you can go buy some of the NFT. They're actually great. It's for the love of food. Then if I tap here, if I go to the blockchain and type, let's say opensea, and type food, chicken food. Is it chicken food lovers? Okay, chicken food. Let me see if it come up. So you can see chicken food lovers below. When I search chicken food, you can see chicken food lovers. The first one, the second, and the third, and the fourth. So you could see this at different pricing. So I can view the entire collection and then see all of the NFT that are there available for sales. So this is how you can actually create your own NFT and then you be able to sell in the marketplace. So most people from here could share their collections, have a website, go as far as creating an advert for it, stuff like that. Hey guys, so I believe that you guys actually learned something from that video. So do what to actually subscribe to my channel right now, like this video so that YouTube algorithm can push it as far as possible. Invite friends and well wishers to come and watch this so that they could learn something valuable for themselves. And that will be all for today. See you in my next video. So on the notification so that whenever I upload video, you just see it. You just pop up because some are time conscious. Love you guys.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.